engineering and what does prompt engineering mean within the context of AI? Hi, my name is Ching Yu Tan, and I've been into AI since ChatGPT really came onto the scene about what back in 2022, the end of 2022, and ever since then I've been really diving into AI and exploring not only the depth of what ChatGPT can do, but also the breadth of all the different AI tools out there. So, what does this prompt engineering mean? Well, when it comes to prompt engineering, it is more than what you're typing into ChatGPT and asking questions within ChatGPT. When you actually go into it, it takes a lot more skills and understanding of the different AI tools and how is it that you communicate with them in order to produce the results that you actually want. And that's one of the biggest challenges people face. What I've noticed is that as ChatGPT hits the market and gains popularity, a lot of people are using it in a very generic manner. And the problem is when you're using it in a generic manner, if you don't know how to prompt it properly, which is instructed properly, then it will produce you generic results. So you get a lot of people saying, hey, it's like ChatGPT is just this fancy tool that pretends to know things, right? But it's a lot deeper than that. So when it comes to being a prompt engineer, what a prompt engineer does is learn how to structure the different prompts to be able to produce the results that people want. What are the different frameworks out there? What are the capabilities of the of ChatGPT or other large language models or any AI tools out there? And how do you interact with them in an effective way to produce quality results consistently, right? And not only that, it's beyond being able to prompt, being able to type in a couple of sentences, but it's also being able to understand what's running behind the scenes. What are the different variables, the different settings, the different parameters that you as a prompt engineer is able to tweak to produce better results, right? So for example, if you want more creative results, you may need to tweak a certain setting. But if you want a more precise or accurate result based on data-backed analysis, then you need to tweak other parameters. So that's what a prompt engineer does. It is more than just typing a couple of sentences, but it's also knowing what runs behind the scenes, behind the different AI models and AI engines out there. So, and with prompt engineering is not only the skill of the future, it is the skill of the now. If you're not mastering the skills of prompt engineering, eventually you will be replaced or outpaced by your competitors who are using the skills of prompt engineering effectively. So, if you are interested in learning more about how to advance your prompt engineering skills and to become a professional prompt engineer, check out my program at iSummit360.com/AI. The link is over here on your screen or in the descriptions. And that's where you'll be able to learn not only how to prompt ChatGPT effectively, but virtually any AI tools out there. And I know that sounds like a huge and bold promise, but I promise you, if you check it out at iSummit360.com/AI and ask any one of my previous students who have attended my programs, you would know that when I say you will be able to use and master virtually any AI tools out there, it is not an exaggeration. Okay, so check it out. Head on over to iSummit360.com/AI and share with us in the comments, right? What do you think about prompt engineering, right? How are your own personal prompt engineering skills? Are you a master at it, or are you just starting out, right? So let's keep this momentum going and learning and growing together as a community. So till next time, I shall see